Assalamualaikum everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are enjoying this lovely morning, which makes me happy and energetic. Having garma garam chai with my husband, now I'm going to prepare my kids' lunch box for school. Now I reached my school and going to my class to keeping my bag on my desk. Then after this I have to move to the nearby park. So going to the park. Good morning. You are ready for walk?
Born ready.
Walk. That's it.
You know how this works?
We are ready to walk. It's really getting great to have a nature walk with the parent, teacher, and student, as it creates a really great bond to each other. Back to school. Before my maths lesson will start, I'm preparing my resources. Here I got new critical thinking questions box, and which is really good. The critical thinking question card helped to develop high order thinking to my student during my lesson, even starter activity or free. After student well-being activity and marking their task, I moved to library. After having 5 minute rest, I'm planning of preparing my next lesson as well. This is my free lesson, so I get the chance to come library, relax myself, and prepare for my next lesson. Now almost time for Zohar Namaz, so I have to move to prayer room. In this school prayer, teacher and student can read Namaz and Quran. Yearbook meeting to plan an activity and event. We had one professional development training, and which was really great to improve my teaching skill. Now time to home, saying bye bye everyone. Now moving to home. It was a great day, but still I have to move to my home and then start to my home task. So see you at home. See, you can see weather is really amazing. My kids is hungry, so I want to do something very quick. So I have make one quick pizza on air fryer. It's really yummy.
Got kick.
It was really yummy, cheesy, crispy pizza, and you can quickly make it inside the air fryer within 5 minutes. If you have ingredient ready, quickly you can make it. Now, ready to eat. This is almost Maghrib time, and I'm playing Quran Surah on my TV, and I'm giving two chinky minky food to my faces, and enjoying my green tea as well. You can see outside it's become
That's kick.
dark. It's the evening time, but so now I'm preparing chicken biryani. So my chicken biryani's gravy is ready. So just going to add yogurt and let's make it like cook for 5 minutes. Here is biryani rice is boiling. Just placing rice and chicken layer for biryani, and then after that rice cover I put a little bit milk for like softness. Then I put some color, food color, and coriander, mint, and fried onion.
That's kick.
Now I'm giving the dum on biryani, just putting the heavy weight on the biryani cap. And now biryani is ready. Yummy, tasty biryani, ready to eat. Now after having yummy, delicious biryani, I'm going to clean my kitchen, and then kids went to the sleep, and I also want to go sleep ready for school for tomorrow. So bye everyone, see you tomorrow. Bye, like and subscribe. Thank you so much everyone. Like, subscribe and share.